Hi there, this is our Kearns horizontal boring machine, English. Usually we get the bigger borers. This is quite unusual for us. It's a medium-sized borer. We don't usually see these. It's got a few things that don't work on it, or one that doesn't work. One is this digital readout's not working. I haven't looked to see why. At some stage we pulley up the top that the chain for the counterbalance weight runs around. Someone must have knocked that and broken the bracket, and they've made some support brackets up for that at some stage. The facing head here you can operate manually, but it looked as though it may have had an automatic feature at one stage where you could automatically face cut as well, but I'm not sure whether that's missing a cog amongst all that to activate it or not. And this particular type of borer runs the spindle and the head at the same time. You can't run just the spindle or just the facing head. It's got a tailstock there. Someone's fitted a modern light which is working at some stage, and obviously that DRO which isn't. It's got the oiling system there which is working, your different rapids etc, and you can move things by hand. I'll run you through the different bits and pieces. So that's the head there, manually working. Obviously that'll be easy for me to manually take down, a bit harder to go up. And that is the table going that way and back, and that's nice to move. And the traverse, it's coming out towards you and now heading in. I'll start this up in reverse. So I've got the spindle in gear at the moment and a low RPM, and that spindle's running. Stop and forward. I'll stop that spindle running. There, that's stopped there, and I'll show you the rapids. So, whoopsie. So I've just engaged the head now and taken it through those rapids, up and down, down, up, now I'll move your table here, so it's heading that way on the rapid, and back towards me, and I'll move it into the cross. So that's coming out towards you in the rapid, and then heading back in the rapid on that table cross. So those are the rapids on those three axes. Now I'll put that into feed. And we'll take you through the spindle speeds. So I'll probably stop that and put you into the D13. So there's D13, 22, 69, 118. And jump up to the next one, which will be there's D36, 59, 28, 47. So that's the range and the speed. Now I'm working it up. So the one that I'm in at the moment is actually its top speed. So that's its top speed there now. So, and I'll go your next slower one, which will be 190. Oh, actually, no, this might be 400. Yeah, that's 400. So that's the top speed there. Next one's 240. So I'll take you through to the other range. That is 147, 89, 69. One last one. 118. So those are the gear ranges there. We'll activate the feed. Oh, actually I might put it in a slower speed. Yeah, just slightly slower. We'll activate the feeds. That's got the feeds running there. And now it's feeding that spindle out. Now I'll just change feed speeds while it's going. There, it's slowing it down. Next one, next one. So those are the 4, and then there's another 4. That one, getting slower again. That one, and one more. That one. Now I can put those feeds into a high. Let's try and slip that in. Yep. So that's the high ratio there. So that's the high ratio there of the feeds as well. So you've got a high and a low through there. I'll put it back into the low. So those are those feeds, and it's heading out at the moment, and this is the reverse lever, so now it's heading back towards me, and the other way. Obviously manually you can turn that spindle out, and then you can manually adjust that facing head, that facing chuck. So those are the feeds. So you've got your high and low, you've got your different feed positions here. You've got your reverse for your feeds, your engagement for your feeds. This one's for your speeds, spindle speeds, and this one's the gearbox itself. Your rapid control here, and over here where it sends it to the head, or longitudinal or cross. DRO's not working, it has had a bracket support that area there where it's been broken. That's probably about all there is to show. It's got a tailstock. It's a nice medium size, won't take up too much room in the workshop, still ideal for a lot of jobs. And yeah, the Kearns English, and yeah, it's all ready to go.